What's up, Model Kit? Video here. Today I'm going to be reviewing another kingdom.
Got ya.
And today is going to be the USAF B29 Superfortress. So, I don't know which video I'm going to be uploading first, this one or the Avro Vulcan. But I'm going to be building a lot of Cold War model kits. Now, as you know, I've done a lot of aircraft on this channel. I've done a lot of World War II. So I believe this kit may be my last World War II aircraft. I'm going to be... There's two versions of it, so let's just have a look here and see. So you have the Enola Gay and the boxcar. And I have to say, just judging from the photographs, this looks like an absolutely beautiful kit. Molding, just judging because I've already opened the box. Now, I've never built an Academy model kit before. We built a few model kits on this channel, but never Academy. Now, I've seen Academy kits around, but this was the only one that had a B29 1/72 scale. If I'm not mistaken, there's also a B29 in 1/48 scale. No idea how big that is, but I would imagine it's absolutely huge. So let's get this thing open right here. So I ordered this kit. I got it for about €50, so not a cheap kit, but considering it's a bomber aircraft and considering the molding, I mean, you can't really go wrong, right? And considering it comes in two different configurations. So there's a photograph of the molding there. Wow, yeah, it looks brilliant. It doesn't look bad at all. You obviously have the propellers there, but it's a large aircraft. So let's take a look at the decals real quick. Have them sitting here in this bag here, and they are cartograph. So honestly, they do look good. I don't know if that's silvering or is that just... No, that's the plastic. Never mind. I thought that was silvering for a second. Yeah, if you ever had decal silver, it's a nightmare. Of course, instructions. All. I don't know what language that is. I can barely even speak my own language sometimes, so I'm not going to have any luck identifying another language. Can't read that. Well, I can actually... Okay, so just some general health and safety. These are the actual instructions. Now, the instructions on this kit, while I think they're effective, I do prefer the Airfix ones, but obviously only time will tell, because then again, you know, haven't built the kit. The detailing looks... Well, here's my thing with detailing. I don't mind kits that have quite a large bit of detail, but I feel some kits just kind of go a bit above and beyond. This kit doesn't seem to do that. It does have the kind of outfolding instructions, so yeah, it's going to be tricky. Like I said, or I don't know if I said this, but oh, here's the painting schemes as well. I'm going to be building it in its Enola Gay version, the Hiroshima bomber. Not the boxcar, as much as the boxcar one is very interesting. I will build the two payloads. Now, the wings, it's quite a big kit. Not nearly as big as the Avro Vulcan, but still a pretty big kit nonetheless. So I'm going to definitely have to find a place on my shelf for this kit if and whenever I finish this kit. Now, I'm not planning on building this kit for the next few weeks because I'm currently working on a Cold War reconnaissance aircraft, a supersonic aircraft of the it's an Airfix kit, and I'm also building the Airfix Vintage Classic Great Western. So I've been really enjoying it, but unfortunately I ran out of paint, so that's massively delayed the construction of that kit, but hopefully I'll get that out, get a review of that kit possibly in the next few weeks. So there you go, folks. That is the Boeing B29 inbox review. Expect this kit to be built possibly... Well, I don't really know when this kit will be built. Expect it maybe towards the end of the year. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Going easy on the model kits, obviously, just because, you know, I've been building a lot more specialized kits. I'm actually going to leave this open for the end of the review. So, yeah, folks, there is the B29 inbox review, and, yeah, take care.